Take a ride in the 2024 Wrangler. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, black door handles, Inside you'll find smart device integration, trip computer, tinted glass, 8 speakers, compass. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. Come see the car for yourself.